Rûpelek ji zarokên şehîd. Li şoreşa cinayê de dehan zarok jî aliyê rejîma hova Îranê ve bi dirindanetirin şewazê hatine şehîd kirin. Pasdar û bîkujên hovên rejîmê bey berçavgirtina zarokatiya van, bi gulleyên şer teke li van zarokan kirin. Beşek ji van li jêr îşkenceyan de kuştin û destdirê jî bi ser hinek keçên şehîd kirin. Dîbe rojek wan bîkujan, van terorîstên hov bên darzandin û dadgehî bikin.
Floor as you crawl through my head, feels like you hold my heart in the palm of your hand. Oh, how I wish that I had a moment to touch you. How I wish that I could unlearn how to love you. Patiently waiting for time to heal wounds that are torn right open when you walk in the room. Wish I was indifferent, but I can't deny that I'd die for you, bleed myself dry for you, do anything you want me to. I promise you take all I had to give.